Hey everyone, I'm Willem Osuch, and together with Aru Anavekar, we would like to welcome you to Botsplash Talks, where we dive into all things Botsplash. With 2023 underway and January already being done, we thought that we'd make an episode where we look back at 2022 and the achievements that we accomplished, as well as looking ahead for 2023. So Aru, last year in 2022, we accomplished a SOC 2 Type 2 examination. What can you tell us about that?
So as we started out the year, or rather say as we closed 2021, we realized a lot of prospects and our lenders were asking for documentation. We thrive and we believe a lot on compliance, security, and data measures, but we wanted to make sure it's easier for us and our team to make it available on demand.
Yes.
So the examination was a perfect example of being ready so that when the vendor vetting and vendor management staff comes and reaches out to us, we have all the documentation ready to just shoot it out to them, then spend a few weeks or days preparing that information for them. So it's been a major good milestone for our team to get ahead faster.
Excellent. And actually, when you look at the actual platform itself, we also had certain feature achievements accomplished. One of them I'm thinking of is the Spanish translation. Please tell us about that.
Absolutely. So the last few years have been a lot of inbound conversation for a high market. In the mortgage industry, automotive industry, solar industry for that matter. Folks were working from home, they were upgrading. What we also saw and what we saw from our partners was a lot of inbound bilingual need to manage these consumers. So some of our partners did have the ability to bring in loan officers, agents that were bilingual. Some others were in the efforts of bringing in. So we thought we had a feature where an incoming conversation coming in Spanish would automatically translate for the loan officers so that they could at least understand and start that conversation. Quick update, as of a few weeks ago, we also put in a new feature enhancement, which now translates loan officers' conversation in English to Spanish.
Wonderful.
To removing that fiction where if you're coming in and talking in Spanish, you're also getting a response back in Spanish.
Fantastic.
So anything Botsplash can bring to reduce friction, to reduce chaos, and make it seamless would be our goal.
And so actually, speaking of using Botsplash to make things seamless, we also introduced the achievement of marketplace chat. Please explain.
Absolutely. So we knew for Botsplash, we were helping borrowers, we were helping folks shopping for automotive and other services to have a seamless conversation from a channel that they most appreciated, whether it was text, whether it was Facebook or Google. What we saw in this pattern is not all borrowers or shoppers coming in come directly to our clients' websites or to their landing pages. They come in through what we call traditionally as rate tables or advertising sites or affiliate sites. Wherever your logo is displayed, having the ability to instantly chat with a licensed person or a certified person was something we discussed with our partners and put it in there. So essentially with marketplace chat, you could be on any website displaying a rate or displaying a product or feature that you want to offer to your borrowers. And then start the chat right away 24/7.
Excellent. And so as we're now offering these features to have seamless conversations between enterprises and consumers, these enterprises and their agents can also now log in their own milestones and even sync with their CRM because of the features that we've been pushing last year. What can you tell us about milestones?
Absolutely. So one major feedback we got from our clients was they were loving the Botsplash platform. They had different systems that they also needed to integrate with. There's always CRM, which is very majorly important for any business to run smoothly. So what we decided to do is offer the loan officers and the agents a convenient way where they could use the benefits of Botsplash, such as the mobile app, and still update their CRM or their lead distribution system and things of that sort. So the front facing was going to be Botsplash so that when they are on their mobile app, they could still change the other applications that they were using day in and day out. So we introduced milestones which would put the conversation or put the customer back in a particular status or action within their CRM,
Yes.
still conversing through Botsplash.
Gotcha. And you had actually just mentioned lead distribution, which is also another thing that we pushed for last year, which was lead reassignment and distribution. How have you improved upon that?
Sure. So again, going back through industry trends, traditionally what's happened across domains and industries is once a lead or customer comes in and is assigned to an agent, it remains with them for the entirety of closing or the life of the lead.
Yes.
What we introduce with lead distribution is we've got capabilities such as lead capping, lead redistribution, by looking at it as who was the first agent that got this lead? What happens if somebody responds within 24 hours versus 48 hours?
Gotcha. Yes.
Should someone coming in after 48 hours be redistributed because that agent is no longer available? So with things like lead capping, with things at badging, like which loan officer gets more leads or fewer leads based on their availability through the day or through the week, we were able to assign more conversations in real time.
Gotcha.
Versus them being there for that particular agent to come back online and respond back or take an action on it.
Gotcha. And actually, speaking about that, when actually a borrower would like to then schedule some time with that agent, they can actually now use a brand new feature in our platform, which is Book Me. What can you tell us about Book Me?
The year end had to end with a big blast. So we were noticing a lot of agents were trying to look at either free options out there for a scheduling app or like a calendar app, or what might be convenient ways where they could put their schedules out there either through Microsoft Teams or other applications. As the year end came in, we realized our partners also wanted to reduce what they were spending on different systems and different vendors. So yes, we launched Book Me, which is free for everyone on our platform. Essentially, it's right into their Outlook or calendar app. It blocks time. It's a public calendar app which they could use on their email signature. They could use it on their LinkedIn or their survey pages. That way, if any borrower or any shopper out there wanted to book time with them, they could conveniently book time.
Excellent. So for this year, 2023, what's in store?
We already have launched 2 features, still 3 weeks into the year. The first one was an enhancement to our existing feature called Scheduled Text. So every agent now can schedule text message within their application. As an enhancement, what we added is now they can schedule multiple text messages to the same customer.
Yes.
And also a feature which says, irrespective of when the scheduled text is supposed to go out, either auto cancel it if it's irrelevant based on the consumer's response, or let it still go. One quick example would be happy birthday messages. If you know somebody's birthdays or some kind of an event is coming forward, which you do want to put in as an event and don't want it canceled if the borrower responds back, that's something you can set in and forget.
Gotcha.
The other feature that we are bringing was the two-way translation of Spanish, where now we are translating from English to Spanish. Going forward, at least for Q1, we have 2 major milestones. One is sub-accounts. A lot of our clients have now diversified into different businesses or different domains. So we are bringing the concept of a parent account and a shared sub-account. That way, one agent could be handling support tasks in one account, whereas being a manager or a team lead in a different domain.
Yes.
So that's a feature that we are bringing in. Again, our goal is onboard fast, make data available as an enterprise and institution for anyone that is playing as a major admin within an account.
Yes.
And then thirdly, reduce the time taken to offboard somebody from one account and bring them back as a participant to a different account.
Wonderful.
And then finally, a lot of CRM upgrades are coming in. Again, goal is the same. we love what we've put together for our clients.
Sure, absolutely.
Our clients love using it day in and day out, whether it's portal based or mobile based.
Yes.
So anything we can do to reduce their chaos and to reduce their distraction of having to log into multiple screens, we'll keep doing it. We also have our application as a widget where if our clients don't really want to have two different screens for their CRM and one for us, then we'll just go ahead and bring it at one place.
Gotcha. So definitely the sky's the limit for 2023.
We'll keep building.
Excellent. Well, I'm Willem Osuch. This has been Aru Anavekar. Thank you so much for watching Botsplash Talks, and keep following the show and see what's in store for Botsplash in the year 2023. Thank you. Take care.